There is the application Schwarzwald Wanderschuh. It is created for hiking in Schwarzwald region in Germany. It supports 2 languages. There is page with information about the app. When we click Start button, user is requested to give location access permissions, but actually application can work even if user rejects. However, it will not work as navigator, only as information source. Now I click in continue and I will allow access for all time to location. Next step is authorization. Actually, user can work anonymously, no need to create any account, but some functionality will be limited, like user will not be able to comment or to upload some photos to places. I will do authorization. There is support of some social network for quick authorization. Now I'm logged in. Actually, there is one more step. On first run, user is asked to download initial database of data. In this case, all data will be saved in the smartphone, and it will just work faster. If user doesn't want, actually data will work real time. I will accept to download data. It's actually just a couple seconds. So now everything is ready. And about permissions required to work with this application. There are only 2 permissions. One is location. User can choose if he wants to allow or not. And another is access to camera. For example, when user wants to use chat, there is option to send text messages, but also users can exchange with photos. There is some demo photos I just did. So if I want to add another photo to chat, I have to agree to use camera. I actually can reject, but if I reject, I just will not be able to post any photos from my smartphone to this chat, and this is optional. So if I don't want to allow access, actually I just don't do it. So my photo is posted. There are some other places where a user can work with his camera, like but before using this, I will use special mode, test mode, to emulate I am in Schwarzwald, just to have normal work, to change my location. And as you see, some places are without photos, and actually it's not a bug, it's part of functionality. The idea of this application is that users will upload photos of places, like some user has photo of that mount or lake, another user has photo of that, and they will upload these photos, and all together we will make like full database of all places and information. It's possible also to add not just photos to existing places, but add new place. For example, someone found some nice waterfall. He can click camera to photo of the place, or make photo to gallery, and then actually to add as photo of a place. So users extend this database. It is dynamic. It will be extended all times. There are places in this database, roads. It will be also extended. Also there are towns and transport. I expect users will upload photos and information about towns too, to discuss actually how to use public transport for different towns, to go to start of the hiking roads. So it's just possible to add photo or comments to selected town, and at this place camera permission is required too if user wants to add a fresh photo from his current place. And actually this is it. Only two permissions are required: location and camera, and both are not actually required. It's an option. User can choose. If user allows location, then on map he can see where he is, and map can work as navigator. If user allows access to photo, then can add new photos to some places on this. In this database, for example, there is amount and it doesn't have a photo. If some of users has it, it will just go to here and will add a new photo. So we will have our database extended and other users can use it as well. And this is it.